Sin City was amazing.
Hello, hello everyone. How's everybody doing? How's everybody today? Just testing my sound so we can get started. And I hear absolutely none of my sound effects. We can hear sweet. That's sweet. My microphone is working. I was a little afraid of that. What the heck? Oh, my. Let's see if that will fix it. Might help if I turn on streamer bot. Oh, there's an update. Now let's see. There we go. Everything is working now. Super excited. I'm going to go grab me some water and then we're going to get started. Whew. Today has been a difficult one, I'm telling y'all. Oh, 4 o'clock came super early. Whew, all right. So how's everybody's Saturday going? You know what? I know it says it got like 2.5 minutes, but fuck that shit. Let's get started. Hello everybody. Forgive me for the way I look. It's hot, it's 90 degrees, and I've been at work all day. You know when you bring down yourself some food and then you misplace it? That's exactly what happened. I can smell it. Ah, found it. Alright. It's not too far away. I am doing pretty good. Took a lot of you guys' advice and I grabbed some new art. And then I haven't gotten to play with it. Let's see. So, altogether, since the last time I streamed, which was on Wednesday, found out the house is infested with carpenter ants. The dryer broke. The outside faucet broke, or the outside spigot broke, and something else happened. And so I haven't been able to touch anything. It's been day after day after day. Something breaks. And so it's come home, put a stream or two in on, say hello, and then something breaks. And it's just been like, And then my baby mama called about an alternator that I had put in for her right after we broke up. Y'all might call me a sap or a simp or whatever, but I'm still friends with my baby mama for my child's sake. Not that is it. So we stay kosher, we speak to each other like adults. It's all gravy. The whole time had me running around all around my area, and the whole time the warranty for the alternator was in her name under her phone number. I got lucky I didn't have to put it in because her fiance put it in, but it's like, man, I don't want to be running all over. And then 4th of July happened and they were popping off fireworks until 4 a.m. my time, and I had to be up at 5, so I didn't get any sleep from the 4th to the 5th and had to go to work because the 4th of July is not a day that we close. We only close on Christmas and Thanksgiving. So that's always been fun. So it's been a rough week. Yeah, stuff broke left and right. But it's my Friday. I'm finished with work. I started a new class on Wednesday, 6 o'clock my time. I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna learn how to do some web stuff. Why? Because I just don't know it, and why not? I figured it'd be a good thing to learn. A jack of all trades, you know? So, the plan for today. Well, with everything breaking, I did not get a chance to fix the 3D printer. I did not get my standing desk thing situated. No. Well, before I got serious into the robotics, I was thinking about doing back-end development. I learned some HTML, some CSS, very little. I started learning JavaScript, and it felt like a completely foreign language. So I was like, no. Dr. Captain Sir sent me some things on Discord. So I was starting to look into that, and then something else broke. I'm hoping there's nothing else will happen. Let's see who seats more web dev. Oh, nope. I will be actually in somebody else's stream. Somebody else is streaming the lesson, so... So I will not be streaming it. I might stream what I've learned. But so I'll be doing that. But I need you guys' advice on the game. So I found an asset pack that I like. And to give you an idea, this is currently a character building. This is just something I wanted to learn, and I needed the art, and it came this way. But for my own personal opinion, because I don't know what to do in this particular situation, when it comes to creating your own player, do you prefer your characters nude or start off in their underwear? Because this asset pack came with both, and it was quite shocking. I picked the first skin, and she was naked. And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. So I had to do some moving around and stuff and found the correct character builder. One that started with clothes. That's hot. So I don't know how to feel about that. My girlfriend's like, no. My child will be playing your game. TOS, that's what I thought of. Well, no. Like I said, I found the one that started off in her bra and panties. And the men start off in their underwear. But I was like, whoa, that's not okay. And I had to find it because I needed to work and stream. And I was like, oh no, I can't have this woman's breast just hanging out. End up getting my account suspended. No, thank you. TOS violation or anything like that. I was like, nope, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. I gotta find the correct sprite sheet. But yeah, they came originally naked. It was not okay. It was not okay. Oh. All right. Now what am I doing? Oh, I need to hit for my scripts. I was building an autoload singleton to preload all of the different clothing, so I can stay away from it specifically. Sure, Tappy, but I'll show you anyway. It is. Let's see if it will let me. It is this person's, I'm not going to say he or she because I don't know. It is this asset pack or collection of asset packs, and they do come in the buff. She's wiggling her booty. That's horrible. But I literally bought all of their asset packs. It's quite a lot, and hopefully I will be able to finish the game how I want it to. I'm listening to everybody saying that I can mix asset packs, and hopefully it'll look good. But I mean, if it doesn't, oh well. Building the game for me and nobody else. Alright, so let's see. We're doing clothing. I think I'm going to You do not play Magic? No. I find that very hard to believe. I think I'm gonna put another area here for like socks. I haven't decided. Alright, we got the shoe collection. I'll fix the numbers here shortly. What else? We need to do the same for the hair collection. You're creating magic. You have a whole nother game? Is this Snow's Game Jam game? Well, no, that's a Souls-like game. Oh, a piece of garbage. I very much doubt. I very much doubt. I don't even know if that's the correct form, but I very doubt that that's what you're doing. Whoopsie. That's not gonna work. Let's see. So we need a number. And then we'll do a preload. And then we're gonna do hair 1. Oh, I should have. And then comma. I'm going to make a copy of this so I can just copy and paste everything. All right. I believe it is starting with HTML and JavaScript. I am 100% sure. You said you were having issues with that as I grab my food. That Elden Ring's got you, huh? This box feels extremely heavy compared to what I ordered. This is not what I ordered. Hold on, guys. I got given the wrong order. Let me go upstairs and see if it's... Let's see if I got the wrong order. I'll be right back. I want my food. Oh, I got handed the wrong food. Goes. Now I got the correct food. What? What is so Nightbot talking about? I'm gonna have to fix Nightbot. Because everybody should be able to post links. Huh. Alright. There we go.
All hail, great serpent. May your
Nefer!
wisdom guide us to success.
Oh. thought I gave the ability to links to VIPs, Tappy, and you are definitely one. Alright, so we are building a character creation, and we're going to see how this goes. Thank you. Yes, num num. First thing I've eaten all day today. All right. I also need to figure out how to change the sex of the character from male to female. I think that would be awesome. But I'm not sure exactly how to do that yet. Alright, we'll put these on here. Nope. And then I don't need this line. Alright. Why are you screaming at me? Oh yeah. O2. O3. And this asset pack, I mean, it came with farm animals. It comes with a lot. So hopefully I can make it look awesome for what I need. You can always use red instead of objects since your keys are already generated anyway. Wow, hi Con! You can use arrays instead of objects since your keys are already generic anyways. What do you mean? Alright. I'm not sure if I should take socks out of this. Oops. Oops. Alright, and then I'm going to have to renumber everything. Because it skips 9. Oof. I'm not looking forward to redoing all of these. Well, hair selection 01, how's it being called? Right now, I do not have it being called anywhere. I'm just making the list of the arrays. Or, I'm making the list. Pretty soon, I will have to build. I haven't built. If they were an array, it would be hair collection. Yes, 0 or 1 or whatever. Yes, sir. So now I need a node. I need to look at this. Mint. I was a Newport, and so I just stuck with the mints. All right. I wonder if I could get it so you could play farm animals. That would be cool. You could pick a cow. A pig. Chickens. They even have a red cow? Wow, that's cool. Alright. I need to quit getting distracted. I need to build this. You guys, have you just ever had one of those? I need a control node because I want this to be a user interface. We'll do. Actually, maybe I don't want to. I want to change that. Change type to control node. We're going to put that full rec. There we go. Going to add a margin container. Changes or refactoring. Anything goes into your lungs other than clean air can be dangerous. Oh, I absolutely agree. Fortune favorite. I am goofing off today. I don't know why I'm building it, but I just thought it was cool. I'm trying to build a character creation little UI, and I'm gonna see how far I can get. All right, so I need a margin. Nope, I want a texture rect. No, I don't want a texture rect. I want a color rect. No, I want a texture rect. We'll do a texture rec as background. We're gonna make it also full screen. And then inside of that, socks or something, they get stuck and they don't get off since my body is doing it without me knowing. The cramps was a surprise. Oh, that sounds horrible. I'm sorry. That sounds absolutely horrible. All right. So from the texture rect, I do like those grid containers now that I've figured out how to work them. Jeez, we have ads already? We're gonna put that there. This is gonna be where the player is. And then I'm going to add a couple of buttons. Oh, nope. It's gotta go inside the text direct. A permanent goodbye or a flesh wound? Ouch. Alright, and then we're gonna duplicate. Alright, so we're just not lining anything up. Let's see, we'll do body. We'll do body. We'll do hair. Put it down slowly. All right, so we have hair. We need tops, bottoms, and shoes. And I'm going to do this, Control D, Do shoes. Is that all I have? Let's see. We are in ads, so tops, bottoms, shoes, hair, and body. Oh. That doesn't look right. Creation. It still doesn't look right. Alright. So I am going to add let's see. So we've got body, hair. We're gonna need a top. That didn't work. All right. We're gonna do bottoms. Oh, that's because I didn't pull it off. How do I have two hairs? Hell. Body. Okay, so that's supposed to be shoes. Shoes. Cramps really suck. I used to get running cramps while I've gotten leg cramps once a blue moon. Oof. Y'all, this doesn't sound fun. Alright. So, okay, then I'm gonna need a button here. Oh, nope, that's gotta be bottoms. Alright. So we have body, top, and bottoms. Then I'm gonna do I'm gonna need 3 buttons up here. And then we'll Control D. So I have a total, oops. So we have a button here, a button here. So we've got a male, female, and random. So we'll have the character. You know what I'm going to add the player. Whoops, that's not gonna work. You gotta instantiate the scene player. Well, that's definitely gotta be bigger. That's gonna be an issue. Character's too small. It means I'm going to have to means I'm gonna have to it took me forever to get things exactly lined up. Let's see. Clothing. Bottoms. Whoop. There we go. Perfect. Then shoes. And then we'll do hair. All right, let's see how she looks. And she didn't get any bigger.
You know there's monsters that if you say their name 3 times they appear. Well, Nathan just appears.
Oh, a gallstone? Ooh. Why? It's not that bad. Hey, Uncle Finn, how are you today? Oh, crap. It still says we're in ads. Forgot to click that over.
Get back to work, Chris.
4 houses to see? Oof. Stay away from that house that's on that hillside. That doesn't sound... random. I'll get a picture of dice. 33% okay? That's too low of an okay. Buying 4 houses. All right. Now, I need to get a picture of the background or something for... Oh, apparently I closed it. All right. Yes, that. Solar we're alone, you all. You have good rates. Oh damn! I just got told. Just found out my house is infested with carpenter ants, so I'll be definitely looking. Well, I think this is gonna be the one. Wait. 12 feet up. Welcome, welcome. Ani, hello, hello. Alright, so... Oh, I just realized you guys can't see what I'm doing, but that's okay. I could have sworn I already got this. Yes, I did. We're going to do that. Can't chat at all today. Lurk and work. Oof. Well, have fun. Where in the world? Wait, no. I already have this. Where's my world? What the fuck? Maybe it's under farm asset? No, that's... Where in the world is this stuff? Those are just the animals. Where is my world? I downloaded a whole world and it hasn't... I can't find it. Kind of salty. All right. Scroll, scroll, scroll. I got the farm assets. Sure. And then we need to go back. And then look at all these NPCs. Ooh, bikini girls. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to download them anyways. We like girls in bikinis, right? I mean, look at this art. Isn't it pretty? It's not as pretty as... This is what I wanted. All right. Platformer assets. Let's take a look. Let's see. Farm assets. Platformer assets. Ah, backgrounds. Alright. Normal. Whoops. We're gonna do that here. There we go. Oh, too bright. Nope. Let's do autumn. We can do an autumn site, right? I'm gonna have to change the color of the font, but it's not horrible. I mean, it's still not great. Maybe that should be a texture rect instead of, I mean, a color rect instead of a texture rect. Because that looks awful bright. What do you guys think? This is a pause menu. Well, this will be nothing, honestly. It's just me learning to learn. I'll put the name underneath. Why is this so big? I don't like that. I'm gonna have to figure out why is that my character so fucking little. Decisions. Alright. Well. You have been one of those established that employed women who are... What? Employed those women who are closed? Challenged? Yes, I have been to one of those places that women have been clothes challenged, as you say. I mean, I'm grown and I like girls. Of course I have been. I get a free show? Well, not free. Actually, I don't know. It was pretty free for me. They have this thing about girls at a strip club. We get away with a lot of stuff that we probably shouldn't. Maybe this needs to go here. Not just my butt. Now let's figure out. like that. That's this. Whoops. That's a little bit better. We can do that. All right. I mean, none of the buttons are the same size or anything like that, but honestly, what are we going to do? This is for us to try to figure out how to create a character selection, so it ain't got to be perfect. All right. All right, so as long as you didn't use the word butts 12 feet, I think you'd be fine. You could be like familiar asses. Although I don't think anybody has seen each other's ass. So maybe ass wouldn't work. Can't use assholes because I'm not familiar with any of you guys as assholes. Familiar cheeks. Hi, Biley. All right. You being cheeky. Always. All right, so we have that. I'm going to need to move this collision shape to just here. All right. I really don't like the color of this. I know I made an ass of myself on stream. I keep my judgment about anyone else's to myself. I don't know, I'm pretty much an ass on stream as well. I want to change the size of this button. Go up. I can move them, but I can't shrink them? What the hell? Oh, there's too many enters. Okay. Bugs and big butts and I cannot lie. Amen to that. Alright, so we have those, so now I just need a script. Oh, I need a default. Alright, you guys, I'm concerned. Well, I know I needed to make a default for like bald head, but should make default for like just bra. That's not lined up right. There we go. Should I make, speaking of buttons, oh good lord. There we go. Alright, so I don't know. I think it would be kind of I think it's kind of plain. I mean, I'm not using this for any game, but I still have to like it. Or at least the idea of it, and I currently don't like it. Can you put textures on buttons? Oh, you can use icons. Does Itch have any icons for assets? Let's see. icons. Hmm. That's an inventory item. Inventory. What do we need? I need. The buttons are so ugly. Maybe if I change the colors of the text behavior, icon behavior, button groups. Visibility. Let's do. Oh no, I don't want that. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I want the background. Nope. Control Z. There's got to be a way to change the background of buttons, maybe. Theme overrides. Color. That would be color font. Hovering color. Disabled color. Icons. Man, this mic is in the wrong spot. I can't even see my screen. Alright, let's see. What in the world? You have to make a theme change to certain qualifications for the buttons. Oh. Many of us have to encourage you to learn Godot themes in the past. This is why. Well, I mean, I could always slap an icon on there, but the icon's not going to be exactly what I want it to look like unless I make it myself. And I can't draw. I don't want to draw it. I don't want a font. Today is texture buttons all the way. Is it really? Oops, nope. Texture button? Well, let's throw one on there. Textured button. Alright, let's take a look at this. Lovely giant texture button. Well, that's cool. Well, so how was I supposed to know you were thinking about it for your game and not just for me to learn? Jeez. All right. Bloop. And we'll do. That did not change. It did not change Should not change the color. Oh, I should honestly be sleeping right now. Last 2 nights I've probably gotten a total of 4 hours. Uh-oh. My boss sent me a picture of my hours. I have no idea why. I wonder what all this does. Nope, cancel. Oh, honestly, my friend, I wouldn't. I think I'm actually only hopping on here real quick and probably going to crash because I've noticed I'm having a hard time not doing one of these numbers. And probably as soon as I lay down, I'll probably get woken up. I guess there's a lot more for me to figure out, but I guess I'll leave the buttons the way they are. We're going to get rid of this. Alright, we need to add a script. Script. Alright, we are going to put that into our... Oops. We are going to create a new folder. And we are going to call it UI. And then blah. Alright. Alright. Wait, is my my global even finished before I do all of this? I need to get rid of this. Alright, is my global finished? So I've got all of the clothing. It's not 100% numbered right, but I think... Oh yeah, I have... My house is pretty cool. I have to bring up my spare AC unit and set it up. Because next week it's supposed to be even hotter. Like ridiculously hot for no damn reason. The worst part is I'm riding dirty. My license expired on my birthday. I sent out for it. It hasn't shown up, and my temporary license has now expired. So that means I can't get my fishing license, which is going to be horrible. Because if I don't go fishing this year, and I'm okay missing trout season, but if I miss crappie season, I'm gonna be upset. Because crappie season, oh, I enjoy it so much. And I'm thinking about going to a new lake, and they have white crappie there, and they're bigger, but I'll probably have to rent a boat, so that might not happen because they really don't have any good spots offshore to fish. But if I just fish in my normal spot, if I miss crappie season, I'm just gonna cry. Alright. So, let's see. I'm gonna need some functions. What are we gonna call these? Good night, Roger. Actually, these are buttons. Which buttons are these? Okay. I should probably name them. we'll do female. Female, and then male. Just so when I see them, I can tell which ones. Alright, we're going to start with this one. We are going to give it this, and we're going to one button pressed. Wow. What? One body. Oof. I don't like that. I don't like the name of that. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but... Alright. Pressed. Checked. Then we'll do the top. We'll do that. And bottoms. Pressed. And then shoes. Pressed. We'll start off with these. Alright. Let's see. So we'll do if. Nope. Alright, let's see. Alright. So if the body button is pressed, we need to change. We need to go into the global script and pick a new body. So if, no, because it's already, no. No, it does have to start with an if pressed. Why do I feel like I am brain dead? How do I start this function? If, no. We'll go to global. It can't be an if statement because an if statement, because if the function is on body pressed, we need to get to, where's it gonna, scripts. I think it's going to be bodies collections. That's what it should be. Body collection. Oh, it's not in. I never put it into the auto loads. So it's not part of the project. So player scripts, we're going to global.gd. I actually want to rename that, but we'll put it in our project. Auto load. Add. All right. So let's go to body selection.
Three cheers for auto load. Best thing ever.
Dad, I'm experimenting now, just because the art asset that I got allows character creation, and I thought that was something cool. And considering I'm starting to feel a little burned out, I should probably take a couple of days off, like a week off of like not jumping between game dev and trying to fix the 3D printer. I need something to refresh me, and all I'm thinking is Alright, well, how do I call an auto load? I need to rechange that character creation auto load. Alright, oops, wrong one. Body collection dot load. Nope. What am I going to say? It wouldn't be load, it would...
Global, dot, whatever you want to access.
Ah, thank you. Global dot body selection load, and I don't think it's going to load it only due to the fact I need to tell no because it's nope, because I need to load the body selection. So that's what I thought. Global dot body selection. Then I need to have it go through the list. So oh my god, my brain is fried. Global dot body selection. I need it would be load. Are those variables or functions? I think those are variables. Yes, they're variables. Oops, wrong button. I wanted to do specific ones. Let's try this. Oops, wrong one. Nope, that's what I thought. You know what, you guys? I can't do it. I think I have to take a nap. My brain is fried completely. I'm just standing here, sitting here, just like I'm not understanding anything. I hate to already run. I don't think I can do this right now. My brain is completely shot. I hope you guys forgive me for only having this very, very short hour. Oh yeah, I'm headed straight to bed. I don't care that
you're trying to skip a couple steps there, but you're headed in the right direction.
Oh, thank